Welcome to Photos at Home, the home of photography activities, tips and challenges to get you and your family taking photos during the lockdown. And all from the safety of your own home. So get yourself a camera and let's start taking photos at home. Any camera will do, a phone, a tablet or iPad, or that point and shoot camera you bought for that holiday the other year. Holidays, remember them? We're going to start by photographing corners. Yes, corners. Corners. I like corners. Corners are everywhere. We're surrounded by them. To get started, I want you to look around wherever you are right now. Spot a corner, move over to it and take a photo. Okay, so just see how we turn the camera on and then it's push that button to take the photo. Okay, so you spotted a corner. So don't get too close, but think about what angle you're going to take the corner and see if you can get the corner in the middle of the screen. We always look back at our photo.
Yeah.
Do you want to come over here and see if you can spot another corner worth taking? Now, it's not all about what you photograph, it's also about how you take the photograph. Cameras come in all shapes and sizes, and photographers use lots of different equipment to do their jobs. But the one thing that all photographers use is their eyes. Because before you can take a photograph, you need to see the photograph. So use your eyes to find things to photograph. And then experiment with your camera to try different ways to take that photo. It's not all about what you photograph, it's also about how you photograph. Small changes with your camera make big changes for your photos. Think about what you are including in the photo, but also think about what you don't want to include, and see how changing position changes the composition. In particular, try taking photographs looking down and looking up. Boring photographers take boring photos because they don't look. You can make interesting and exciting photos by looking in different ways. Okay, have you got a favourite?
That one.
Okay, good. So that was the warm-up, okay? That's taught you a lot about how to take photographs and to think about how you're taking them and how you can improve them. A lot of people take lots of photographs without really thinking about it.
Yeah.
Because you're thinking about it, that makes you a photographer.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So, the fun game that we're going to play next.
Game?
Yeah, we need to do it in pairs really, or threes. We're going to go around the house and you're going to take photographs of corners all around the house. And then we'll show them to each other and we'll see if we can work out where the photograph was taken, where the corner is. Okay? Make sure, okay, let's split up. Make sure I'm not watching you and you don't see where I'm taking my photos. Okay, off we go. I hope you enjoyed that. That's just one way that you can take photos at home. There's lots more interesting ideas that I hope I can share with you soon. Bye for now.